4 ways to pack your jewelry. So first you cut up a straw, then you stick your necklace through one piece of the straw. Now you can connect your necklace back together. Now you can put it in a box. Then for your earrings, you can cut 2 slots on each side of the straw. Pop it up, and you stick your earrings through each hole. And you can put that in your box. And then for your rings, you can put your rings in a Tic Tac box. Now cut a straw in half. And cut a slit through the straw. Now you can put your bracelet through this slit. You can put it in a box and put it in your bag.